Before starting the lecture, you know that there are some instructions for you which you have to follow, that your attendance is mandatory. Be active and focused. Keep your relevant books and stationery with you. Divide your notebook into two sections, one for classwork, one for homework. In the classwork section, you have to solve the questions which will be explained in slides. In the homework section, you have to solve your assignments or tasks. Your work should be very neat and clear. You know that we have started our chapter number 11, which is triangles, quadrilaterals, and polygons. So far, in exercise 11A, we have discussed thoroughly about the triangles. Now we have started quadrilaterals, different types of quadrilaterals. Exercise 11B, as we have already started exercise 11B, and we have done almost 7 questions of exercise 11B related to quadrilaterals and different types of quadrilaterals, polygon, rectangle, sphere, kite, rhombus. Now come towards the question number 8 on your box, page number 275, question number 8. On your box, page 275, question number 8, the figure shows a rhombus ABCD. This is the rhombus ABC and D is the rhombus. The diagonals DB is produced to E. This is the diagonal which is produced to E, right? Such that BC, this length BC is equals to BE, which means that two sides are equal, and this is the triangle BCE. And if it is a triangle and where two sides are equal, which means that the triangle is isosceles triangle, and if the triangle is isosceles triangle, we know that the two angles will be same. Now this is the one. The other part is CDE is equals to 46 degrees. You have to find BAD, the angle, which means that the angle between B and D, that is AD. You have to find this angle. Now you know the properties of the rhombus, that in rhombus each side is equal. It means that if sides are equal, then the angles will also be equal, right? If AD is equals to AB, if this side and this side is equal, then the angles will also be same. If this is 46 degree, this will also be 46 degree, right? This will also be 46 degree. And if I can say that this is a parallel line, this is a parallel line, this is a transversal, then this angle and this angle will be same, which will be 46 degree, right? If this is 46 degree, this will also be 46 degree. Alternate angles and the interior angles. Okay. Now, if this side is 46 degree, then you know that if the diagonal intersects the interior angle of the rhombus, then the other angle will also be same. If this is 46, this will also be 46 degree. Now, the angle D, angle B is also 46 degree. So, with the help of sum of angle of triangle is equals to 180 degree. 46 plus 46 plus A is equals to 180 degree. You can use A or you can say BAD. With the help of this, you will be able to solve BAD, which is 88 degree. Any confusion related to part number 1, then please raise your hand. Any difficulty? Any question related to part number 1, then please raise your hand. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did not understand part number 1.
Why?
मैम मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि 46 जो है वो कहाँ से आ गया.
D, half D is 46 degree, right? Half D is 46 degree. This is the parallel line. This is the parallel line. This is the transversal. If this is the transversal, this and this angle will be same. Alternate angles, right? If this is alternate angle, and you know that in rhombus all the 4 sides are equal. When all the 4 sides are equal, then the alternate, then the angles will also be same. If this is 46 degree, this will also be 46 degree. Why? Because AD is equals to AB. AD is equals to AB. Then if AD is equals to AB, which means that if this is 46 degree, this will also be 46 degree. Right? Now, if this is 46, this is 46, you have to find BAD. You have to find this triangle with the help of sum of angle of triangle is equals to 180 degree. You can solve this part. Right, Maham? Yes, Ira, what is the question?
मुझे भी समझ नहीं आई।
What?
मैम समझ नहीं आई थी मुझे ये।
Now you got it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yes, Zainab.
मैम जब हमारे पास एक 46 डिग्री आता है तो हम वन इंटीरियर एंगल के हिसाब से सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते।
Bache, you have to find, see this, you have to find BAD, B, A, and D. Right?
Yes,
BAD, how you are going to solve this with the help of interior angle?
मैम जब हम ऑल्टरनेट पे डी बी ए लेते हैं 46 तो हम ऑपोजिट एंगल ए डी बी 180 से माइनस करके ले सकते हैं।
How it is possible, Zaina? If this is a parallel line, this is a parallel line, this is the transversal, right? This is
Yes, ma'am.
46, this is 46 with the help of alternate angles, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If this is 46 degree, then you know that in rhombus all the four sides are equal and the angles connecting that side will also be equal, right, Zaina?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, if AD is equals to AB, right? If AD is
Yes,
equal
ma'am.
to AB, which means that this angle D will also be 46 degree. Now, this is the
Yes.
triangle. BAD is a triangle. So, you have to find it with the help of sum of angle of triangle is equals to 180 degree.
Okay, ma'am.
If your concern will be in order to find this angle, so you if he is saying that find CBD, if he is saying find CBD, then this angle will be solved with the help of sum of interior angle is equals to 180 degree.
Ma'am, why? Ma'am, it is also
Because this C degree is not known.
equal with
Because this C degree is not known. This C degree is not known.
मगर मैम वो
Here the two angles are Zaina, here two angles are unknown. Here two angles are unknown. Here he is saying BAD, find BAD. The angle A, where B can be easily solved it with the help of alternate angle, right? But if he is saying CBD, then in order to find CBD, the angle C is also missing. How you are able to find the angle C? Right? So if he is saying CBD, the angle is on B, then you can solve it with the help of parallel lines, and this is the transversal, where this and this angle will be interior angle, sum of interior angle is equals to 180 degree. This is not the part of the question, so please let it go. This is the part of the question you have to find angle A, right? You got the point how you are going to solve angle A? Okay. Now, I am going to give you a homework of this part number 2, BCE. Anyone who can find BCE, then please raise your hand. BCE, where the angle is on C. You have to find BCE, where the angle is on C. Hurry up. If you know the answer, then please raise your hand. Okay, see this. This is the triangle. This is the triangle. Right? Two sides are equal, which means that you have to find this one. For example, I assume that this will be x degree. If this is x degree, this will also be x degree. Right? If two sides are x degree and x degree, now you have to find this angle C degree. How you are going to solve it? If you see that this is the triangle and here the outer angle is 46 degree, right? the outer angle is, the exterior angle is 46 degree. With the help of sum of interior opposite angles is equals to exterior angle, you can calculate x degree. Right? This was simple. That's why I said if you can solve it, then please raise your hand. So let's start with the question number 9. Question number 9, 10, 11 are so easy that there will be no question in between the questions. The figure shows a rhombus A, B, C, D. I told you that in rhombus all the four sides are equal. Is this so? In rhombus all the four sides are equal. This and this and this sides are equal. If sides are equal, then the angles will be same. And if angles are same, and I told you that whenever you see this type of arrow, it means that the whole angle is 3x plus 7 and 3x plus 7. 2 times 3x plus 7. Is this clear? If you can see this type of arrow, it means that the whole angle D is equals to 2 times of 3x plus 7. Is there any confusion related to this? Okay, so if you can see that we have to find, he's saying find the value of x. Simple, you have to find the value of x. How you are going to solve the value of x? If you can see this is the parallel line, this is the parallel line, this is the transversal, this is the diagonal, again diagonal. Our link is just with this one. So how I'm going to solve it out? This one, and this is the transversal. Angle D plus angle A are the interior angle. Angle D plus angle A is equals to 180 degrees. Sum of interior angles is equals to 180 degrees. Is this clear? Now angle D is equals to 2 times of 3x plus 7. And angle A is equals to 2 times of 2x plus 53. Is this clear? Is there any question? Then please raise your hand. Two parallel lines. One is the transversal. The inner angles are interior angles. So sum of interior angles is equals to 180 degree. And you know that the whole angle D is 2 times of 3x plus 7, or you can write 3x plus 7, 3x plus 7, because the arrow is showing that whatever the half part, the other part is also the same. So we have taken the whole angle D, and whole angle D is equals to 3x plus 7, 3x plus 7, 2x plus 53, 2x plus 53. Yes, Isha. Yes, Isha.
Ma'am, I did not understand this.
Okay, see this. This is the parallel line. This is the parallel line. Right, Isha?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the transversal. Right?
Yes.
This is the parallel line. This is the parallel line. This is the transversal. I told you earlier that whenever you see this type of arrow, it means that whatever the first half part, the other half will also be same, right? The other half
Yes,
will
ma'am.
also be same. So if and the other thing is, if the diagonal is bisecting the interior angle of rhombus, if diagonals are bisecting the interior angle of rhombus, then the whole angle will be same, right? Whatever, if this diagonal is bisecting, it means that if this part is 3x plus 7, this part will also be 3x plus 7.
Yes.
Right? Then what will be angle D? 3x plus 7, 3x plus 7. 2 times of 3x plus 7, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And what will be angle A? Again, diagonal is bisecting the interior angle of rhombus. It means that whatever the half part, the other part will also be same. A will be 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3, 53, right? Now these two are
Yes,
interior
ma'am.
angle, and the sum of interior angle is equals to 180 degree. You can solve the value of x, which is 6 degree. Right, Ishal?
Yes, ma'am. मैम आपने इनको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई भी क्यों किया है?
Ache 2 times. See, don't write it like this. You can write it like this: 3x plus 7, 3x plus 7. This is angle D, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is angle A, 2x plus 53,
Yes.
2x plus 53. This is angle A,
Yes.
right? Now add both the angles and put them equals to 180 degree. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Zainab.
मैम हम इस क्वेश्चन में अगर ए डी ई ट्राइंगल ले तो हम 3x+7 + 2x+5 प्लस ई डिग्री प्लस डी ई ए इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री करके सॉल्व कर सकते हैं.
No, no. You have to find the value of x with a simple way.
मैम हम कर
See,
सकते हैं.
if you are going to solve it with the help of a triangle DAE, right? The triangle DAE, then you have the only one part, the upper part is 3x+7. What will be the inner part? You are not
Ma'am,
taking
2x plus
you are
5.
you are not taking the whole angle D. You are not taking the whole angle D. You are taking half of the angle D. Half of this value. You are taking half of this value. But how you are going to solve it with the help of a triangle? If this outer part is if in triangle AEB, angle A is 2x+50. In triangle DCE, angle D is 3x+7. There is no part of angle D and angle A on this triangle. If you can take 3x+7, 2x+53 is equals to 180 degree, you are not going to solve it with the help of this x value, because this is impossible. Whenever the concept is simple, the parallel lines and there is a rhombus, which means that all the sides are equal, then the angles will also be equal. Then angle D plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. Let it be simple. Right, Zaina? Let it be simple. Where the concept of parallel lines are using, use them. Where the concept of triangle is using, then use the triangle concept. Right? But this arrow is showing that whole A degree is 2x+50. If this whole A degree is 2x+53, how you are going to cut it from the center? Then you are not taking the whole 2x+53, you are taking half of 2x+53. The other half is missing. Right? The other half is missing. So there is no rule that you can take. If you are taking DAE, you are only taking the half part of 3x+7. But this arrow is showing that the whole angle is 3x+7, not the half part. Is this clear, Zaina? Let's see question number 10. The figure shows a trapezium ABCD where AB is parallel to DC. Find the value of x and y. Who is going to solve this? Please raise your hand. Only two pair of parallel lines. Simple concept of, yes, Zaina. Yes, Zaina.
Ma'am, 5x plus x is equal to 180 degree.
You are using the concept of transversal, right? 5x plus x is equals to 180 degree. Then how you are going to solve y,
Yes,
the value of y degree?
Ma'am, when we will get the value of x, the value of x will be 30 degree.
Yes.
And ma'am, we will put the value of x in 2.2.
Yes.
Then we will take y degree plus 2.2 into 30 is equal to 180 degree.
Yes,
And
exactly.
then we will find the y degree.
Yes, exactly. This is the way. Anyone having any confusion related to this, then please raise your hand. I can explain it again. The figure shows a trapezium ABCD. Yes, Ishal.
मैम हमने इसको 2.2 x से क्यों नहीं प्लस किया इन सारों को x की वैल्यूज को?
Listen. This is the parallel line. This is the parallel line, right? In trapezium, only one pair of parallel lines, right? This is the transversal. If this is the transversal, it means that the interior angle, sum of interior angle is equals to 180 degree. If this is 5x, this is x, add both of them. 5x plus x is equals to 180 degree. You are able to solve the value of x, which is 30 degree, right? This is x degree, which is 30 degree. Now see this, this is again a parallel line and this is another transversal where y degree plus 2.2x is equals to 180 degree. Sum of interior angle is equals to 180 degree, right? The value of x is 30 degree, which means 2.2 into 30 plus y is equals to 180 degree. Is this clear to everyone? Now the y degree will be 114 degree. Is this clear, Ishan? Is this clear to everyone? Where is Akifa? Akifa is not taking today's class. Okay. Is there any confusion related to this? Then please raise your hands. So far, we have completed question number 9, question number 1 till 10. Can I solve question number 11 as well? Because the boys have completed question number 11. It's a simple concept. No? Okay, fine. Any other question related to question number 8, 9, and 10? Then please raise your hand. Okay, no question. So this was all for today's lecture. Still, if you find any difficulty related to this, then please you can ask me anytime, right? Ira, what's the problem, Ira? Why you are so upset? Okay, so till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.